So we're going to start talking more about diet now because it goes hand in hand with exercise. We do have a graphic talking about macronutrients and the different kinds of macronutrients that you see. You know, people have heard different kinds of ones, and these are called either protein, fat, or carbs. Unni, please explain each of these different components of our diet, and I see that you've brought some wonderful examples of each.
Yes, so I use these samples a lot in my nutrition counseling. Like you said, we divide our macros into proteins, carbs, and fats. So these would be proteins. You would have lean steak, hopefully. Fish is a great source of protein, and it's leaner. We have grilled chicken. We have tuna. Eggs are also a protein, but it has a fatty middle,
sure.
So it's kind of both. If you're on a plant-based diet, you would do beets, legumes, things like that for protein. But generally speaking, those are considered carbs.
Does this count too?
No.
I'm guessing that's
yes.
peanut butter.
It is peanut butter, and it is a fat, so that would be in the fat section. But you know what's interesting is that the fat portions are so small.
Sure.
So these are portion samples, and when I show people the avocado, they kind of get depressed because avocado is a healthy food, but they say, oh my God, I can only eat 1/8 of an avocado. So generally speaking, your fat should be the size of your thumb.
Okay.
So you see how
That's
that
good
works?
to know, yes.
Yeah. And your protein should be the size of your palm. So if you have a chicken breast, more or less, your size. Now you have a bigger palm than me because
so I can eat
you
more
need
food.
more.
Okay.
Exactly. So it's kind of cool. You have a measurement instrument with you at all times. So
can I interrupt for a second? So you have the olives over there.
Yes. Those are considered a fat.
Okay.
Yes, because you know how you press them and make olive oil, which is a great source of healthy fats. But this is a fat, and this would be a portion size of olives, which is 5 of them.
But the calories aren't that high in olives, are they?
They're
not,
are they? But they are actually higher than you might think. So because they have a fat has 9 calories per gram, whereas protein and carbs have 4.
Okay.
So this is why you need to be a little more mindful when you're eating fat, because it's more caloric. Does not mean that you shouldn't have it because you need it for your brain, your muscles, mental well-being. So you have to have fat in your diet. You do have to have carbs in your diet because it gives you energy. And protein is the building block of muscle, and it helps cell regeneration, and it also helps you stay satiated.